Stir-fried pumpkin shoots are a beautiful, often overlooked dish that brings out the true beauty of simplicity. This dish, though humble, feels like a burst of freshness with every bite. The tender young pumpkin shoots, often discarded or unseen in many kitchens, are actually a vibrant and nutritious addition to any meal. Their delicate texture and slightly sweet, mild flavor are wonderfully enhanced by the savory, aromatic garlic in the stir-fry. It's a dish that feels incredibly light, yet deeply satisfying, making it perfect for those who want something that's both nourishing and refreshing. With each tender leaf you bite into, you're not just enjoying a vegetable, but connecting with something seasonal, something fresh, and something that nourishes your body in the most natural way possible. To begin, it's important to get the best, most tender pumpkin shoots you can find. The younger shoots are preferable, as they're more delicate and have a mild, almost grassy flavor that's perfect for stir-frying. If you're harvesting them from your own garden, you'll want to pick the young, tender leaves before they start to mature and toughen up. Once you've gathered your shoots, rinse them thoroughly to remove any dirt or grit. The shoots themselves should be soft and the leaves a vibrant green. Trim off any thicker stems that might be tougher to eat, focusing on the most tender parts of the plant for your stir-fry. The next step is to prepare your garlic. Garlic is one of the easiest ways to infuse a dish with deep, savory flavor, and it works wonderfully with a mild taste of the pumpkin shoots. Mince or slice a few cloves of garlic, depending on how garlicky you want the dish. The garlic will serve as the base of your stir-fry, so you want it to be aromatic and fragrant, but not overpowering. When the garlic hits the hot oil, it will release its savory, almost nutty fragrance, setting the tone for the rest of the dish. Next, heat a bit of oil, vegetable, canola, or even a little sesame oil in a wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot and shimmering, add the garlic, and immediately you'll start to notice the kitchen filling with the delightful aroma of sizzling garlic. Stir it constantly, being careful not to burn it, as you want to bring out its sweetness without letting it get too dark or bitter. Once the garlic turns golden and fragrant, it's time to add the pumpkin shoots to the pan. Add the pumpkin shoots gently, tossing them into the pan. They'll wilt down quickly, so you don't need to cook them for long. Stir-fry for just a few minutes, allowing the shoots to absorb the flavors of the garlic while retaining their tenderness and vibrant green color. The texture of the pumpkin shoots in this stir-fry is incredibly satisfying. As they cook, they'll soften, but they will still have a little bite, giving you that perfect balance between tenderness and crunch. The garlic coats the shoots lightly, infusing them with savory goodness. As the shoots cook, their natural sweetness starts to come out, and you'll notice that the dish takes on a beautiful, glossy sheen. You don't need many additional seasonings, just a pinch of salt and perhaps a dash of white pepper to bring out the natural flavors of the pumpkin shoots. Some might prefer a splash of soy sauce or a drizzle of fish sauce, but the simplicity of garlic and the shoots is more than enough to make the dish sing. The key is to keep it light and fresh, letting the natural flavors of the vegetables shine through. The best part of stir-frying pumpkin shoots is how quickly the dish comes together. In just a few minutes, you'll have a dish that's not only rich in flavor, but also packed with nutrients. Pumpkin shoots are an excellent source of vitamins A and C, both of which are important for boosting your immune system and maintaining healthy skin. They're also rich in fiber, which helps with digestion and overall gut health. This is a meal that feels good to eat on a deep, nourishing level, and it's also incredibly satisfying despite being so light. Once the pumpkin shoots are tender but still slightly crisp, it's time to serve them. The dish is so fresh and vibrant that you almost don't need anything else. A side of steamed rice works perfectly, helping to balance the lightness of the stir-fry with something hearty. But honestly, the stir-fried pumpkin shoots are wonderful enough to stand on their own. The garlic brings a savory richness, while the shoots offer a tender crunch that feels refreshing and rejuvenating with every bite. The vibrant green color is a feast for the eyes, making this dish not only satisfying to eat, but also a pleasure to look at. Stir-fried pumpkin shoots are a great reminder of how simple ingredients can come together to create something both nourishing and delightful. It's a dish that feels wholesome and deeply comforting, yet it doesn't weigh you down. The balance of textures and flavors, the sweetness of the shoots, the earthiness of the garlic, creates a harmony that is hard to beat. And as you take that first bite, you can't help but appreciate the lightness of the dish and how every element works together seamlessly. It's a quick, easy way to enjoy a nutrient-packed vegetable, and it's one of those dishes that leaves you feeling satisfied but not overly full, a perfect balance for those warm days when you want something light yet deeply nourishing. The simplicity of stir-fried pumpkin shoots is also what makes it so special. There's no need for complicated techniques or exotic ingredients. Just fresh, seasonal produce, a bit of garlic, and a touch of seasoning. It's the kind of dish you can easily whip up on a busy weeknight, or one you might find yourself craving when you need something fresh and healthy. The rich vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants packed into each bite give you that extra sense of well-being, and the flavors are subtle yet deeply satisfying. Stir-fried pumpkin shoots is a dish that speaks to the joy of eating simply and healthily.